We were once a peaceful race of intelligent mechanical beings. But then came the war between the Autobots who fought for freedom and the Decepticons who dreamt of tyranny. Overmatched and outnumbered, our defeat was all but certain. But in the war's final days, one Autobot ship escaped the battle. It was carrying a secret cargo, which would have changed our planet's fate. A desperate mission. Our final hope. A hope that vanished.
One up there. One up there.
现在不要爬太高，下来。
What you got?
Impact detected. We have impact confirmed. Contact at 2250 GMT.
What? Give me